This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with two essentials: an unlocked Mac and admin access if you'll change protected options. Once ready, open System Settings from the Apple menu or press Command plus space and type System Settings and hit Return. You're doing this to reach View and Layout controls quickly. Use the search field at the top if you know the name of a pane. Make sure to note if your Mac OS version calls it System Preferences versus System Settings, because the interface and available view options differ slightly. Now focus on changing how settings are presented. Use the left sidebar to jump categories. You can drag frequently used items toward the top to create a personalized order. Once inside a pane, expand arrow icons or inline toggles to reveal subsettings, and use the search to highlight related controls. This speeds workflows. On older Mac OS releases, the View menu offers icon versus list layouts. Choose Show All or Customize to switch. These steps change how quickly you find controls and what shows at a glance. Finish by applying changes and closing system settings. Many toggles save instantly, but some panels require you to click an Authenticate or Lock icon and enter credentials. Once done, test the new view. Open Settings again to confirm your sidebar order and layout stuck. If a change doesn't appear, sign out or restart, and make sure you have admin rights. As a troubleshooting tip, boot into safe mode or reset nvram/smc if the interface behaves oddly. That clears cached display settings before seeking further support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.